this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the Hyundai Smart Parking Assist on a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This will also work on many other Hyundai vehicles. Pretty neat little thing that you can use to pull your vehicle in or out of a parking spot. I'm going to start the vehicle first, and to do that, I'm going to press the lock button and then hold down the remote start. It takes it just a second there, and you'll see the lights come on the vehicle there, telling me that the vehicle is now started. Once I have the vehicle started, I can pull the vehicle forward or pull it back. And in order to do that, I just got to be close to the vehicle. And then I'm going to press the forward button here. When I press the forward button, you'll notice that it goes into gear and it starts to move forward. Pretty neat. To stop it, I just undo the button, and then to bring the vehicle back, I just press the back button. You press and hold it down. Oops, I didn't press it long enough. And you'll notice that the vehicle is now starting to roll backwards. And then to stop it, I just let off the button. Super awesome. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.